Okay, here it is. The silver dagger is finished. There's the pommel. I used a quartz crystal that I had, and it came out pretty good. Purple heart handle with a polyurethane coating, turquoise inlay in the handle running up through the silver, a lost wax casted hilt on a hand forged sterling silver blade. So this is all sterling silver, purple heart wood, turquoise, quartz crystal, and one solid copper tang running through the handle. There it is. It came out pretty good. I like it. One of a kind for sure. Now, what the hell am I gonna do with it? Okay. Till next time. Thank you for watching.